What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at a little drift vent car show called Clean Culture.
Positive and encouraging automotive content.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. We had a good time drifting at our second event out here with Clean Culture at the Travis County Expo. Thanks for watching to the end. Go ahead and like and comment. Let me know if you think I'm any good at this. Should I stick around? Should I do it more? And you know, thanks for sticking around watching the video. Love you guys. Peace.
If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing.